All right, thanks so much, John. Let's wrap up. All right, this was our sound that we learned today. What sound?
Ow.
Ow. And where do we find ow in a word?
In the middle or in the beginning?
The beginning or middle. Excellent. And is this a vowel team?
Yes.
Yes, two vowels that come together.
A-E-I-O-U.
Yes, those are our vowels, and these are O and U come together to make the sound of
Ow.
ow. And our key word is ouch.
Ouch.
And give yourself a little pinch. Now, we'd like you to
Ouch.
write, I would like you to write ow 3 times, going O-U, ow, says ow. Say O-U, says ow.
O-U says ow.
And write it.
O-U says ow. O-U says ow. O-U says ow.
Good job. Excellent. Thank you very much, John. Oh my gosh, it took us quite a while.